This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in a convenient location in the South Loop, on the rooftop terrace at 1001 South State, panning from the south to the east over Grant Park and the museum campus, and heading north toward a panoramic view of the Loop skyline from Navy Pier and Lake Michigan, out west to where the Willis Tower and the West Loop. The building's angled orientation serves up great views from the apartments, and I'm headed downstairs for a walk through one of them. I'm at apartment 2604, a one-bedroom, looking out of the fabulous view of museum campus in Grant Park, looking out to Lake Michigan. Floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades, wide plank flooring throughout this apartment. It's a programmable thermostat. A curved wall of windows expands the view out to the south. And have a spacious living dining area. A lot of flexibility in how you can lay it out. Heading into a galley-style kitchen. Have white quartz counters. Tile backsplash. There's under-cabinet lighting. Undermount stainless steel sink has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. Cabinets are lacquer look white, contrasting with a brushed eggshell white. There's an ice maker in the refrigerator, built-in microwave and dishwasher, and a 4-burner gas range. What a great wall of windows. Heading back toward the bedroom. It's a wide closet with custom organizers. Another wall of floor-to-ceiling windows, looking out east over the lake. And enough space here for your bedding and additional furniture. Heading toward the entryway, have your in-unit washer dryer, and to the right of it, nice sized bath with oversized tile on the floor, tile up to the ceiling and the shower surround, frameless glass door shower, has a body spray attachment, and then you have a wide vanity with a triple mirrored medicine cabinet up above. Look at the front entry, keyless entry system, and custom organizers in the coat closet. 1001 South State is a very convenient location, an outstanding suite of amenities, a wide variety of apartments with upscale finishes and great views. Put 1001 South State high on your must-see list. Head to 1001's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.